It is so warm. It was so hard to come inside today.
Yeah,
like,
it's nice
You
out.
walk out from the car, the sun is just shining. There's just a very light wind. It's in the mid-70s.
So you didn't skip in through the door and say, I'm happy to be here? And
Not much of a skipper. Maybe the skipper, but not much of a skipper. Let me get that one.
I did,
All
actually.
right.
Yes.
You were asking about this earlier. Let me show you this. Mountain cedar is high, Jason.
It is. Okay, that's what's doing it then.
Yeah, it really impacts.
I was hoping it was the cat claw that we had yesterday, cat claw pollen.
Cat claw.
Because that one sounds more interesting.
It does sound more interesting than mountain cedar, but mountain cedar is high today. This affects so many people in North Texas, and bad news for Jason and others, mountain cedar season lasts through the end of February, so we have a while to go. Sometimes it lingers into March too. Not great news. 74 degrees the temperature right now. Winds are out of the north. You may not think so, but it is out of the north, so we have some dry air in place. Cooler air is eventually going to get here relative to what we've seen today. Not this time of the year, because this weekend, while it will be cooler, it will still be warmer than normal. We have clear skies. We have lots of sunshine in the forecast this weekend. Look at Saturday's high temperatures. Like I said, cooler than today, but still above the normal. The normal high is 56. We'll go to 64 in Fort Worth, 67 in Corsicana, a couple 70s found down toward Brownwood, Coleman, and Ballinger, and Abilene. And then northeast of the Metroplex, you might find some upper 50s. Pretty cool day on Saturday for some, but as we get into the next 5 days, it's up. 67 Sunday. 75 Monday. We're back to 75 Monday afternoon. Look at Tuesday. That could tie a record, could beat it. We'll see. Right now I'm forecasting a tie. The record is 79, set back in 1982. We'll watch that one closely. Wednesday, 73 degrees. That's still 17 above normal. And Wednesday's when we bring in our chance of rain. So as we look at next week on Timecast, Monday we'll have a mix of sun and clouds, dry. Tuesday, this is 7 a.m. Tuesday. We're dry with lots of sunshine. Here comes our next storm system. So by Tuesday night, it's in the southwest. It'll trek across the southwest. And this is the track that brings us a fairly good chance for some rain. Scattered rain, a couple thunderstorms, and the best thing I can tell you, no severe weather. That's really wonderful to hear. But rain is expected here. This is 7 p.m. Wednesday. You'll see a scattering of showers. Right now, based on the latest guidance, I feel pretty good about this, that the highest coverage of rain is likely Wednesday night and overnight Wednesday. So that means most of Wednesday will be dry, but once we get to sunset Wednesday, the rain chances start to climb. And then overnight Wednesday, you're looking at midnight, so Thursday morning, midnight, into very early Thursday morning. That's when the most widespread rain is likely to move in. So Wednesday is not a rainy day. Nor is Thursday. This is 7 o'clock in the morning Thursday. This will move out of here fairly quickly, but it's kind of that 9 p.m. Wednesday to about 5 o'clock in the morning on Thursday where we'll have the better chance for some widespread rain and a couple rumbles of thunder. But again, no severe weather is in our forecast. We really need the rain. I said last night, we left behind the 6th driest December on record. Last December, we only got 0.08 of an inch of rain at DFW. We need rain. 47 degrees tonight, dry and cool, mostly clear. 64 tomorrow, cooler than today. A lot of sunshine, a really nice day. A great weekend this weekend. 67 Sunday. There's the big warmth Monday and Tuesday. And there are those rain chances Wednesday and Thursday. Like I said, don't be deceived by the icons. It's not a rainy Wednesday and it's not a rainy Thursday, but late Wednesday night and very, very early, most likely pre-dawn Thursday, that'll be the best chance for rain. Cooler temperatures do arrive the second half of the 14-day forecast. That's a lot more expected for this time of the year. These days of 80s and mid-70s and lots of upper 60s, those will at least come to an end for a short period of time. We'll see if we can get some even colder air in here. But cold weather lovers, I'm sorry, all I have to offer you right now is normalcy, Jason.
That's a first.
It is a first and probably a last.
All right, thanks, Jess.